The Kwikset Pismo entry door knob combines a very clean, square profile with a minimalist round knob that looks at home on modern front doors and updated interiors alike. Its keyed entry design offers solid everyday security, and the pick-resistant SmartKey system lets you quickly rekey the lock yourself when you change keys or tenants. The knob turns smoothly with a reassuring feel, and the latch engages firmly so doors close with a consistent quality click rather than a loose rattle. Installation is straightforward for most homeowners, since the adjustable latch fits common residential door thicknesses and standard backset measurements with only a screwdriver required. Because the set comes as a 10-pack with matching hardware, it is easy to outfit several exterior and interior doors in one go and keep a consistent look throughout the property. The satin brass finish has a warm, contemporary tone that resists fingerprints reasonably well and holds up nicely to frequent handling on busy entry doors.